Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4. This is the B8 platform. And in particular, we're looking at where the rear tow point is located. You've probably already stuck your head underneath the car and had a good look around, looking for the typical kind of welded on metal hook that many Audis and VWs have, and found that there isn't one underneath there. And that's because it's somewhere else. I'm going to show you in this video. So as you have seen, there is no fixed welded tow point on the rear of these cars. So it's done slightly differently. So what we have on the rear bumper on the right hand side here, we have this little cover. Underneath that cover there's a screw in socket, and what you need to do is actually screw in your tow eye into the socket. The tow eye is located in your boot or your trunk, so let's get that next. So underneath where your spare wheel lives, here in the boot or your trunk, we have the full toolkit including the tow eye. If you're unsure how to access your toolkit, it's very easy. We've actually produced a video on it already for you. We'll have a link for you in the descriptive section below this video, so you can scroll down and check that out if you need to. But the tow eye itself is hidden away underneath the wrench just here. That's what we need. So next, onto this little cover. Now you might be looking at this going, how the heck does that come out? And if you've done work on Audi's previous, slightly older models, it's a little plastic cap. You have to stick a little screwdriver down the side and kind of pop that cap out, etc. Thankfully on these newer ones it's a lot easier. They actually put a hinge in here. So what we need to do is apply pressure. It might be a little bit sticky if you've got some dirt in there over the years. If you apply some pressure to the bottom half, there, the top half will pop off. And then you can kind of give it a wobble and pull that forward out of the way. So with the cover removed, you can see we've got the socket there, and it's a threaded socket ready to accept the tow eye. So all we do is carefully insert the tow eye, start to screw it in. There it goes. And whenever you use these, you want to get them in as deep as you can, because you want to try and use all of the thread. If you want, you can also grab the wrench from out of the boot if you want to get it a little bit tighter. As you can see, it goes a fair way further when you get that wrench on it than it does by hand. There we go. So that is your tow eye for the rear of the vehicle, all set and ready to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please, before you leave, make sure you hit the like on YouTube for us, and please be sure to subscribe for hundreds more videos on Audi, and we'll see you again on the next video. Thanks guys.